One small detail that changes everything. What people do, 7 minus 1 as 6 and 7 minus 1 as 6 and 6 times 6 as 36, which is a wrong answer. Yes, they miss the one small detail and their answer gets wrong. What the detail? When you have given the bracket, then subtraction, then you have to always follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you call it. So first you have to always solve the bracket. So bracket is 7 minus 1, 6. Now, if there is no sign between a bracket and a number, then always put multiplication. Now, you have to follow order, then division, then multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. Now, we have multiplication and subtraction, so we have to give priority to multiplication. Multiplication is between 6 and 7, so 6 times 7 is 42, minus 1, 41. So, what is the correct answer? 41, not 36. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.